Welcome to the latest edition of the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup. Two sides that met 180 years ago. USA take on Canada. Grand Prairie, Dallas, Texas is the venue. The weather gods have been kind. The rain from the week stopped earlier today, and the toss took place on time. And straight away, sets the tone with a boundary. That is Johnson. Economy under 7, 20. Yeah. Beautifully placed, timed nicely, and even with all the rain, the outfield is quick. Edge, and third man's up in the ring. That'll go away for 4 quickly. Little bit of an inside edge, dragged it, but he found the gap, and the outfield is lightning. Short ball, top edge, did him for pace, but it's gone for 4. Oh, he's nailed that. He's nailed that. The bouncer didn't put him off. Up and over extra cover. And he can't follow that.